All right, so in today's video, we get to do something that Art and I both love to do. We are getting a product to review with no strings attached. So let's get it out, get it on the table, let's see what we're working with, and get it installed. Okay, I put it in here. So let's just... All right, so the company is called Novsight, and they sent us a side step. And this goes on a Jeep Wrangler. It's gonna go right here on these hinges. So let's get it unboxed, take a look at it, and then let's install it on the car. Jeep, on the Jeep. About as raw as it gets. I haven't even taken it out of this packaging. Okay, we got ourselves an installation manual. It's 4 steps, so I think I can do this. Foam in 1 step. I figured that this would be for both sides, but it's just for one. But yeah, so first impressions, it's pretty busy. There's a lot going on. We're gonna be hearing this when we're on the trails. But it seems pretty stout, it's thick. Some of the other ones you see, they're a little bit thinner. They seem to be made out of steel. This one's made out of aluminum. It has these little balls here to kind of help keep it locked in. That does feel good. I don't think this is gonna fall apart once it's on the trail, but I don't like that. Hopefully I'll have my windows up when I'm off-roading, but if not, that might get annoying. But other than that, that's the step. It comes with all the hardware we're gonna need. And then that's the box. Just one. Okay. So you already saw in the instructions, this is a 4-step process. So this is gonna be easy. So if you're working on a Jeep, this is specifically on a JK, but it also fits the JL. We're gonna need a T50. And we need to remove these 4 T50s. Once those are off, we put in the new hardware. That should be it. So let's go ahead, bust this paint, make this a permanent mod, and there we go. Those are on there pretty good. Fun fact, some people think you have to do this to take the doors off. You don't have to do that. They're hinged. It's probably best to do this with the door closed. All right, now that we have the OEM bolts off, we're gonna put on the new ones. Now these come with a little spacer that's concaved. Fits directly in right there. So we need to make sure concave in. So we're gonna take our new hardware, new spacer, concave in. Set it into place. Put it on there, make sure we didn't put it in upside down. And start threading it on. You know, as far as Jeep mods go, most are easy. Jeeps are very easy to modify. This is definitely up there. Definitely up there as far as easy goes. Oops. Like, this is cake. All right, so from what you just saw, it's that easy. It is 4 bolts and it's done. So there you go. Your Jeep now has a side step. But a little note, most of these bolts or whatever, they came very loose. So before you install this, I would highly encourage that you look through everything and make sure everything is tightened properly, because this almost fell off on us. But it closes up, it locks. It's a lot more solid on the car than it was just in my hand, so I will give them that. I think last thing we need to do now is demonstrate how this thing works. Let's see what it takes to get on this roof. Get some trail debris off of this bad boy. So just go here, flip it down, grab this, get on here. Now I have access. Get all these silly things off your Jeep. Now you're done. Get what you need, fold it back up. Now we're ready for the next campsite. All right, so there we go. That's our full unboxing, review, and installation and usage of the Novsight side step for your Jeep JK and JL. So let us know down in the comments, is this something you would consider on your Jeep? Do you need access to your roof or miscellaneous items? Let me know. And above all, Novsight, thank you so much for reaching out, letting us review your thing, no strings attached. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.